I'm going to attempt this lightning rod with a tailwind. See how it works out. I'll give it 1 bar of forward spin and adjust it. That's 10.
Yeah. What you want?
That's 12 rings. Just about 90%. A little bit of left curl to counteract the left to right wind. Try that. Yeah, we'll give it a little bit more. And then we'll take that 1 bar of forward spin off. Compensate for the tailwind. And I think I had 12 more. That'd be 28. I don't like to use that calculator in the app. To me, the spreadsheet works better. So I'm going to use it. 28 rings at 2.8. 6.6 on the 6.6 in the spreadsheet. Shooting uphill, it's probably going to come up short. So about 6.6. Give that a try. Good speed.